Good day, everyone. Welcome, guys. Hey, how's it going? Thank you guys for joining. What is up, everyone? Welcome. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Have a good time, fellas, on our Thursday streaming. Let's just go ahead, as usually, and share this with all the community members pretty much everywhere. Let your trading communities, friends, everyone know about us. Share the video with them in all the groups, Discord, Telegram, whatever, guys. We've got 2 giveaways. Good morning. Let's go. So, let me set up my copy trading with all the Sim Pro accounts. All the 7 Sim Pro accounts. Let me get to my copy trading needed. What's happening with the Nasdaq today? Looks like the 15-minute is finding a temporary support here. We would like to discover if there is a reason behind the support. There is. This is a demand zone. Good morning, Badger, Francesco, Shivam, Sylvain, Master Trader, Team Godlike. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure to like the video from the beginning so we pick the numbers up and we get the ball running. Let's go. Thank you, by the way, for joining. Appreciate it. Come on, guys. Let's get those numbers up. What do we have here? Daily opening. So let's see with the weekly opening. Where is it? We're trading below that. Monthly opening. Way lower. We're gonna take that out. There is a strong demand zone here. This is what we're trading, and we have a prompt reaction. That's lovely. Few levels that are going to be questionable. Daily VWAP is right now in contact with the weekly opening, and that's situated on 800s. So, how are you doing, guys, today? Did you have a great time already? We've got PPI today. Think about it. Buongiorno. The name of the indicator is this one. Daily, weekly, monthly, yearly opens. And it's done by SBTNC. Right, this is the author. SBTNC. Daily, weekly, monthly, yearly opens. And then you can nicely adjust, basically, from the settings, whatever you want to look at. This is not a moment for me to long the structure, just like not a moment to me to be entering a short here. Very risky. We could break above this temporary resistance we have on 775. So I have to watch the markets a little bit more. 15-minute, that's the way we're looking like. 1 hour is bouncing on an important 200 EMA, as you can see. Looks like it's bouncing there. This is an important demand zone on the 700s. If we lose this, we're very likely going to create a strong lower high. Right, and then you're gonna have a nice downtrend. Depends. Depends a lot today. with the PPI, which clearly stands for the change in the price of finished goods and services sold by producers, excluding food and energy. Look at this one. Previous ones were all on minus, so it's going to be a big deal around that one too. Lots of pressure, guys. Lots of pressure with the rate cuts as well. Good morning, Tight Lines, Andrew, Sharma. Morning, fellas. Hope you had a great day. Let me see. Where is my cup of tea? My cup of green tea. Here we are. Cheers, everyone. Make sure to like the video. Let's look into the 5-minute as well. What's happening here? This is pretty hot. You don't want to cross 80 degrees when you're doing a green tea. You're gonna burn your green tea if your water is above 80 degrees. So 200 EMA kept us down. Look at this one. Let's not forget about it when we get there. Two giveaways today. Let me prepare the message for the giveaways. $25,000 top 1 futures plus $50,000 Ticktick trader, both instant funded, right? So both instant funded, and that's crazy, right? 25 grand, the old instant funded, not the Sim Pro. Plus 100k. No, the message is not. Let me just edit. What you see there has not been saved, just like I'm at 50k, not 100k. Here we are. Beautiful. So we're giving out 2 strong accounts. Good morning, everyone. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video. Looking forward, taking advantage of the price action here. It's not easy. It's definitely not easy. By the way, thank you guys. Top 1 futures 55%, especially with the new Sim Pro accounts. Yesterday I made a video. $49,000 in 6 days. Possibility. Ticktick Trader is right now 40% discount. They're 50% expired. I have to update my better. This is a possible interesting
Order
spot
filled.
here. I'd like to see if we successfully force the breakout out of 76.
Order filled.
Let's go, guys. We're trading the Sim Pro. We're about $500 down from the original balance. Hey, buddy. Let's go with the first trade today. Putting my stop loss to my entry. Come on. 5 extra points. Keep going. Keep pumping. I think we're gonna go break even on this.
Order filled.
They successfully rejected. Successfully rejecting this level.
Order filled.
That being
Order
said, I'm
filled.
gonna test out a short with a
Order
possible
filled.
movement that we could see all the way back into the 48 base level.
Order filled. Order filled.
Add a little more to this. I'm happy with 1,150. Based on the numbers I've got, that's something that helps me for the moment. That's an interesting 1 minute candlestick we have there. Yeah, this is a critical point where directions could be changed, so it's a rejection from the resistance. Not gonna sit in a long there. I'm not gonna trade in a hope for a breakout. We had a long earlier, but looks like it wants to push right now. Looks like it is forcing it right now. Earlier rat candlestick rejection we had momentum to continue.
Order filled.
I sold partially. Exited out of 3 contracts. Unfortunately, this can go higher. We could see a level back into 740s. That wouldn't be bad. But we're playing this one very, very tight here, as you can see. And there is room above the 76 for a squeezing, so I don't really want to be part of anything unexpected. We still have 6 minutes to go till the news, which is why things have to be adjusted right now. Exactly, we've got the news very soon. I would need my target to be touched before we get into the news.
Order filled.
Added a little more to this. I'm not gonna sit in the trade during the news.
Order filled.
Looks like we're not going down. Come on, time to reject over here.
Order filled.
Have sold 2 contracts. Right, so accepted a partial loss again. With the risk on the table of a breakout here. Enjoy, buddy. Yep. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. How's it going? How's your day? Good evening for some of you. Looks like the market is clearly undecided in the way it acts right now.
Order filled. Order filled.
It is not willing to sweep anything. It is not willing to sweep anything for the moment. It is clearly waiting on the news. Let's see. It's 4 minutes to go. We're having 5 minis. Putting the stop loss right above this red candle with a flat opening. Looks pretty good so far. Come on. Target is a little bit too deep. I don't need to make that much. 1,700 would be sufficient comparing with the realized loss that we have. Putting the stop loss on break even. Exactly. Looks nice. Thank you, guys. Come on. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Let's pick up the numbers. Especially we've got 2 giveaways today. You have to like the ones. Let's go. Come on. Bring up the enthusiasm. There's an opportunity with this trade to continue in the direction predicted. In the predicted direction. Come on. I've got 2 minutes to go. I need my target. I'm gonna trail right after this candlestick. Let's go. Hello guys. It should go down. But I'm trailing my level right there on 59. Like, I'd like to secure basically my realized loss. I'd like to make that back in case the market reverses. Not gonna give that away. We're close to the 1 minute. Last minute before the news. Probably we're gonna get stopped out on 515 profit.
Order filled.
Yeah. That's fine. I mean, we made some money and had a great target there, by the way. So the opportunity was there. We had the full target of the day at that level. Fortunately, markets did not deliver. 20 seconds to go, PPI. We're gonna hear about inflation. Things are gonna get wild, just like yesterday. Few more seconds to go. This could rip to the upside right now if the markets will consider that. So that's why. Careful in trading. Look at that one. Whoa. Up and down. Up and down. It's pending. Up and down for the moment. 0.1 PPI less than expected. And 0.1 core PPI less than expected compared to 0.3%. This should be great news for the market, everyone. The inflation over here is less than expected too. Unemployment claims a little bit higher, but that's definitely not affecting the business. Yet the major news of the day are less than expected on the PPI, just like yesterday with the CPI, less than expected as well. So we have some great signs compare basically the previous PPI we had, minus 0.4%. That's a good one for the moment. We have some decent chances here to climb to the upside, but I'm pretty much afraid about the wick that has been done to the downside. It went both ways exactly, so it was just a game of liquidity for the moment. Certainly this is not bearish for the markets. Let's go, guys. Make sure to like the video. Let's see what does the FedWatch tool speaks about it. We might need a new Federal Reserve chairman. Hmm. 99.6% we are going to have a rate pause on the 18th of June, which is exactly next week. FOMC on Wednesday next week. On the 30th of July, 77% basically is considered with the same targets, which means a pause. And then there's 22% basically, and this has increased compared to what it was at the beginning of the week. Interesting. And then 17th of September, very likely there's going to be rate cuts. We're going to sit on 425. I mean, depends a lot. You know what? We're breaking out. Yes, you can trade news on Top 1 futures correctly. You can do it. We're back to the daily VWAP and the weekly opening right now. And it looks like an accumulation zone here. Today what we need is a breakout of the 200 EMA, which is what slapped us in the face every time we've been dealing with this. Other than that, the market structure looks fine for the moment. A stronger trend is going to resume above the daily opening, so that is 871. That's the time we're going to get some strength once we get there. 871.
Order filled.
Let's see if we can do a nice staircase here to the top for the next minutes. It's very bullish for the Bitcoin as well. Correct.
Order filled.
What's happening with the DXY, which has been dying? Well, here we have the outcome. Look at the dollar. Let me share with you the chart. Look at the dollar. What a moment. This is a place where we could expect a temporary reaction, and if it falls below this, then it's going to be critical. You're losing the support line of your downtrend. You're going to be accelerating. That's what's happening with the dollar. Gold is having a very good time, guys. Gold is going to follow the same route and pattern, just like we have seen it so far. Look at that one. We have an interesting approach here. Let's go for the target 809. I mean, I'm just gonna go trailing stop loss on break even. And I'm gonna relax in my trade. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video. We're getting ready for the giveaway. 2 giveaways. Tap 1 futures, 25,000 and 50,000 from Ticktick Trader. Both instant funding. No activation fee, nothing like that. It's instant funding. You take it and you make money. Good morning, Fernandez. Good morning, Maxwell. Hey, hope you have a great time. Thank you guys for joining. By the way, for those of you that are not part of my Discord, you definitely have to do it, especially to be part of the giveaway. You want to join the Discord. Yeah, for those of you that care about BTC, well, it's hanging around near the all-time high. And it looks really bullish, right? It looks really bullish for a continuation. But at the moment, we see more bullishness around the altcoins. So maybe we are going to see more volatility there. That's monetizable. You may win today, exactly. You take the account and you make money with it. Let's go to the target, fellas. I've got the fireworks ready. Come on. Just a little more.
Order filled.
Here we are, everyone. Thank you guys. $1,100 on 7 accounts. And this is definitely deserving fireworks. Beautiful. All the 7 accounts copy traded. There you go. There you go. So let's have a look into the performance stats. Here is it. The first day was a $1,600 loss, but we've recovered, right? We're $642 in profit. The thing is, tomorrow is not going to be any trade. Tomorrow I'm not streaming. We'll resume the streaming on Monday, guys. Keep that in mind. We resume the streaming on Monday. Tomorrow I'm going to be taking a pause. I'm going on a holiday tomorrow. Going with my little kids and family. My wife, my kids. Going with them. Enjoying our time. Yeah, strange nature, exactly. So, you gotta win the giveaways today. You don't have an option for tomorrow. Let's just set up the copy trading for the other 2 accounts that we have here as well. These are the old type of instant funding. Still have to buy an extra account. Just have 2 here. We're down on this accounts, but looking forward bringing it up. Now, let's get into the 5-minute candlesticks. This is where we are, guys. With the PPI coming in less than expected, a lot of the people feared today we're going to get a 0.5%, and that would have been extremely bad for the markets. Having in mind that in June they don't want to cut rates. Yeah, we're going to the trip. We're going in a trip, right? Hope you guys prepared your ducks. Take all your ducks to the gym with you. Right? You gotta take your ducks doing some exercises, bring them to your work, to your gym, to your sports, to whatever you guys are doing. That means also efforts. No news. We got news out here, and we're gonna have news from Trump. We've had it every single day. Good morning. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Look at the price section. And I have to trade here something. I have to long this structure. The thing is, I don't want to FOMO. And we've been dealing right now with a 200 EMA that slapped us, just like I told you a couple of times. I'm gonna take it slowly there. What's happening with the Nvidia? Opening lower with a massive gap to the upside. Didn't check Tesla, but looks like it had a nice recovery from 286 to 335. An interesting one. We broke above the daily VWAP, right? So I wouldn't target anything lower than 871 for a day trade that you might have an entry here. Around 740s. From there, straight into 871 daily opening. I wouldn't be afraid about it. Yeah, 7.7%, or what was it? Bang. It crashed. Fortunately. It's really bad and unfortunate. Speaking about the markets and connecting the subject with the markets, you guys see that there's all a risk in the investments where things can turn out pretty bad. This is one example. BTC reacted to the upside as well, but it had a decrease of $3,000 in the past couple of hours. DXI is gonna dump non-stop today. Gold that's having its usual movements above the 400s, but now Nasdaq is the big deal like here. I like to see how can I trade further and then do my trading on Ticktick trader. No, we're trading basically Top 1 futures, Ticktick trader, and Thrive. Right, so a lot of the things that are unexpected moments which could appear in the stock market with this stocks of the companies. A lot of the problems. And they appear pretty much constantly, right? We could have in the transport, we could have issues in the food, in the medical world. We have all sorts of disasters pretty constantly around the world. And those companies are affected. No Tradify, buddy. What do you mean by BOGO? Not sure exactly. What do you mean by BOGO? You're expecting the altcoin season. We're all expecting it, and I'm not sure if it's gonna be delivered, but there is a good chance, by the way, the markets are looking right now. Hey Twister, how's it going, buddy? Our 7 accounts copy trader got to their targets. Now I'm waiting. We had no loss today, and I'm not planning on having any loss today. All the 7 got to their target 1,100. I cannot make more than this 1,100 profit, so I have to climb myself to the payout target with this 1,100 maximum. If I'm not succeeding with this Sim Pro, oh, buy one, get one for free. They don't have, but they got a massive discount, right? They have a 55% with my code. That's a huge one. And if you enjoy the Sim Pro, then so instead of buying it at 325, let me verify how much is it. Sim Pro 150. Continue. Code scramble apply. 292. Right, so 292 and the payout is 3,150. Think about it. That's good money, right? And it's a good difference, just like I've shared with you in my video. Morning, guys. Thank you so much for joining our Discord. I've shared with you in my last video, it's right here. $49,000 in 6 days. It's on my channel with Top 1 Futures. Something you could consider and think about it. It involves high risks, but for those of you enjoying, it's an idea. "10 days of trading. 10 days of trading are needed. Hey Matteo, how's it going, buddy? You enjoying your morning? Right, so for Top 1 Futures, for those of you that need, here's your link, guys. You can visit and watch all the things. Look at that, the temporary rejection is already appearing on 8:45. Yet the good part is we successfully broke above the 200 EMA, so we could have it holding. We could have that one holding us. That would be lovely. Look at this 5-minute rejection. Yet I still think let me share with you which chart you need to look for in altcoin season. This one. This is the chart you need to consider for the altcoin season. You need that single green line. And that's gonna speak it all. It's a total 3 chart. Crypto total market cap excluding BTC and Ethereum. Right? So this market, this chart is the market cap of all the other cryptocurrencies. Which means excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. Once we have a breakout here, we could see, and we have to see if the market starts a such behavior. You want to take that and put it over there. Right? That's something to consider, guys. This is the chart you have to see. Total 3. That's how you can search it. For those of you that care about a crypto space. Now, 200 EMA completely rejected the bears, but I'm not sure if they are capable holding around it. We see a temporary rejection here. And
Order
I think
filled.
I'm gonna
Order filled.
test out a short here for a potential tab. I'm gonna test out a short. Make sure to like the video, everyone. We got some more time till the giveaways are starting. 2 giveaways on the list, both instant funding.
Order filled.
6 minis, short. Target is going to be right there on 818. PPI coming out much lower than expected, so inflation came out much lower than expected, and I'm telling you why is it the market enjoying it. Simply because the market is asking for rate cuts. And low inflation should lead to rate cuts. Yesterday, Trump was posting about the results of the CPI and how we should get those rate cuts quickly by 1 point, which means 100 basis points. That's a lot. How do you get into the giveaway, Mr. Clip? Well, you have to like the video you're watching, you have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, turn on the bell, and join my Discord, and then be here on the live stream, because this is the place we're gonna organize it. You're gonna have to do a nice guess the number type of a game, and then qualify for the second round with the race of the ducks. Look at that one, guys. That looks great. That looks great. Come on, guys. Just take it down. There's so much liquidity below. Just be here on the stream. Nah. Let me do this way so you can watch this nicely. Look at this. I was lucky, right? I think there was a single tick, guys. A single tick. There you go. Come on. One single tick. Avoiding break even. Come on, guys. I got my fireworks ready. You gotta be with us right here for the giveaway. We're doing it a little later. I'm out of this trade.
Order filled.
823 bucks. That's fine. Beautiful. And that requires actually fireworks. Let's go. $823. I think I'm fine with that. We're complete profit all over top 1 futures. I'm not gonna force this one. Thank you, Andrew. Right, we're complete profit everywhere today. So I'm moving to my Ticktick trader, guys. Moving to my Ticktick trader where things are pretty tight here. 200 EMA is delivering. Have a look into the 5-minute chart. The only issue is that this is pre-New York opening, and we might miss the strength needed to reach that 871. Let's see how does this 5-minute closes. Very important. Are they cheating? Let's go, guys. We're having a great time. Right, so I just wrote you in the chat, no streaming tomorrow on Friday. Don't forget about it. We resume on Monday, the 16th. It's gonna be a huge week with the FOMC, which is predictable. Yeah, the one thing... Hey, Michael. Morning, guys. The one thing that's not predictable is if still Powell is going to be in power, in charge. He might not catch the next FOMC meeting, right? He might not be there. This is an interesting spot to long the things. Possibly we're gonna break out there.
Order filled. Order
This is an
filled.
interesting price action, guys. I mean, the market wants. Let's see if we get the fourth rejection here. Tomorrow going in a trip with my kids, wife. We're living. We are going in a trip to some places near Budapest. Out of the city, out of the capital. I'm living right now in Budapest. That's where I'm living.
Order filled.
Center of Europe. Come on, guys, take it up.
Order filled. Order filled.
Thank you, guys. Yeah, there is the Bitcoin bar in Budapest. Exactly. You can reach out, guys. You can reach out. So, is it moving? What do you guys think about? Look at this. Are we gonna resume the slow cooking? I don't want to get cooked, but I'd like to do some slow cooking and squeeze above. I like to take those damn shorters out. They make too much money. Sure. Where's my Discord? I'm gonna reach out in Discord messages right after we finish the stream. I mean, just a little break right after, but once I'm fine, we're getting back. Come on, guys. That little push is missing here, and we are heavily exposed. 9 minis. There's not much liquidity. Only $2,000 until the max loss. Only $2,000 until the max loss. I'm very happy that we got our top 1 futures accounts great today.
Order filled. Order filled.
There you go. We have DC8. We have 11 minis. We have DC8 into this move. We have 11 minis. Come on. We need that $2,000. That's it. Oh, why do you reject once again there? You shouldn't. Extremely, extremely good. If it breaks below, we get burned.
Order filled. Order filled.
Very risky situation here. We can easily get cooked, right? But we're gonna chop around the top here. 13 minis.
Order filled.
14 minis. Come on. Balls deep into the trade. Into this position. Obviously, stop loss is going to be right below.
Order filled.
There you go. There you go. Oh my god. Here we are. It exploded, guys. Oh my god. It just exploded, right? Right, so we did copy trading here, 1,870, all around the place profits. Pretty happy. All over the world, top one future Ticktick trader. We're moving to Thrive. I'm gonna trade my Thrive accounts as well. Yes, come on guys, make sure to like the video. If you enjoyed that explosion of, what was it, 14 minis, right? If you enjoyed that explosion, look at that. Almost all the way to the daily opening. Food money for the trip. Let's go. Big money. It was a nuclear. The position was more nuclear than the movement, right? The size, the contract was more nuclear. Let's go. Waiting on my quant tower. PPI is down, CPI is down, inflation is down. But there's no rate cuts. President is getting angry, guys. 55% works on pro accounts. Exactly. Good morning, fellas. Good morning, everyone. Come on, let's bring up the numbers. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure to like the video. And cheers, everyone, with my cup. Look at that, Ticktick trader. Here is it. We made money with it. doing copy trading on all the 3 accounts. Still have to recover a little more, right? We're down 1,220 bucks from the opening of the account. But that's a great opportunity to recover. I wouldn't have this opportunity to recover if I wouldn't be down. Have to see the positive part of it, right? Huh. What an opportunity. Loading up 7 accounts. Great job, buddy. Here are the 7 accounts loaded up already. I'm gonna load up that 1,100 into your accounts. Think about it, guys. If we would be able to move or realize profits between the users, that would be interesting, right? I'm trading based on micro fundamentals of technicals and price action on micro 1 minute. Right, so I care about daily openings, weekly openings, daily VWAP, weekly VWAPs, 200 EMA, supply, demand, trending lines. These are the ones that I care about. And then my entry is based on the price action. Once I see domination in the candlesticks, I'm entering right away. And then I'm going basically break even once the market is moving a little bit. The main problem that I have is the sizing, because sometimes I oversize my trades. And this sometimes maybe is not just sometimes, it's every other day. In some accounts, I'm trading basically 10 accounts on Top 1 futures most of the time. We've got 9 right now, 3 accounts on Ticktick Trader, and then 5 on Thrive. So that is, you know, something like 17, 18 accounts. And the thing is, if I'm not copy trading all of them, and I have to trade all the accounts during the 2 hours that we're having the stream, I need to force it, right? Because I'm only trading during the stream. This is the most important thing, right? I don't want to trade off the stream. I don't want at all to trade off the stream. It's easier. It's a total different environment. There's no pressure, nothing around like what happens on the stream. Yeah, I'm trading my main business of swing trading off stream with the cryptos. My investments are there. That's what we're living off. So that's something else. But when it comes down to the day trading, intraday trading, I want to have a total, complete transparency and share with you the way the reality is. The alternative is, and I've told you so far, which is something that is not going to help you at all. You know, I can easily walk to these firms and request them to allow me to do long in an account, short in the other. And then I show you the screenshots at the end of the day with profits. Because one way or the other, I'm going to make profits. That would be off stream. That's the way off stream trading looks like for a lot of influencers. I don't want to do that. Yes, you can have Mr. Clip. You can have actually 3 SIM funded and 7 SIM Pro. That's the maximum. 3 and 7 on the other side. VWAP. VWAP. Right, so the business usually on off-stream is like that. Prop firm is allowing you to do it. You know why? Because you're attracting people by doing that and showing big money, big profits every time. You're just showing earnings, earnings, earnings. And all the money you're making off-stream is much bigger than the money you're making during the stream, where you're just trading here or there, or sometimes not even trading. So that's it. Enjoy, buddy. So where is Thrive? Here's Thrive. Alright. Let's go ahead and open up Thrive. Now let's go ahead and set up the copy trading. So that's the story about trading on stream and off stream. I'm in minus with the payouts. Right now at this very time, no longer in profit, I am in minus. This is an interesting spot here to go for another breakout, right? As you can see, the 1 minute representation clearly tells us the 845 is the resistance spot. But I like to trade my Thrive as usually that I'm doing after the New York opening. So I'm not going to do too much here, just a single contract. Intentionally, yes. Wee-wop. Come on. Bring it up. We're not having more than just a single micro here. Look at this. One single. No, this is not a micro, guys. This is a mini. This is a mini, guys. I should be aware. Break it down like that, right? So, there's a lot of dirty business happening. Because there's a lot of the money involved in this business. And to be honest and transparent, it's not for everyone, right? Keep going. Keep going. Micros. That should be your favorite. Most of the people should trade micros. That's my suggestion, my advice to you. Let me see what's happening on the trading view side. Could see a resistance from here. Added one more. 2 minis, we are in a long. So we DC8. It's free on Quantower. If you're copy trading within the same prop firm, it's free. If you want to copy trade through multiple prop firms, you need to have the paid version. But I'm just trading Thrive here on Quantower. They are having a rhythmic connection. Adding one more spot to this, so we're sitting on 3. I'm out of this. It's not looking good. $550 loss accepted. Look at that. Hey, Anton. We just started trading Thrive right now. But on the other side, let me share with you. So the 7 copy traded accounts are all sitting on 1,100 profit. All the 7. And then the other 2 that we have of the instant funded, the old ones, 823 copy traded. So top 1 futures, 9 accounts, all profit. Then Ticktick Trader copy trading all the 3 accounts. Leader +2, 1,870. So in a nutshell, Ticktick Trader and top 1 futures, complete profit. 9 accounts +3 equal 12. And now I'm taking care about Thrive. Yeah, thank you. Looks good. Make sure to like the video, everyone. We're getting ready for the giveaway quite soon. I just jumped in along here. We could see a temporary support appearing. Let's go. DC8, one more contract. We're sitting on 3 minis. Added another one. We're sitting on 4. The exit is on 849. 14 points. Added one more with this little pullback here. We're doing the giveaways right after the New York opening. Hey, miracle. Miracle. Added a little more to this, expecting the impulse to the upside. Let's see if we have the sufficient strength needed. It has been a choppy season here between these levels. 845 all the way into 827. We don't have the best entry. We're on 834. We had to DCA. Yep. Let's go. Let's go miracle. Miracle or miracle? Keep going. 10 minutes to go. This is not looking too nice if it's not going to reject here. I'm going to be out quite soon. $8.26, I'm going to be out. Thrive is slow. Thrive is slow. Come on. We're having a choppy pattern here, so we should have an opportunity. Yeah, I'm not really convinced anymore about it. Sitting on A34 with the entry. Fine, exiting on A43, about, 10 points. Putting my stop loss on A27. Tighter. Let's go. Let's go for the strength. Where is the strength? That's not looking bad. Come on. Come on. I actually sold 4 contracts and another 4. No, it's just 4. So we have 7 left. We had 11 minis. Sold 2 more right before this dump. We got only 5. You only got 5. Stop loss break even here is having no room. I'm gonna put my stop loss a little below. I'm just exiting here, guys, fully. $665 for the moment, so we've lost around $150 in this new trade. We had a $500 loss from the previous one. I don't want to get slapped in the face here with a possible retracement. Have a look into that. This is sitting too tight. Morning, fellas. Good morning, everyone on our Discord. Make sure to join the Discord. Rejection is there. And there's 5 minutes to go till the New York opening. Hey, guys. You didn't miss, Oliver. We had a lot of the trades today successfully. So we had a lot to trade today. Wow, look at that one. Look at a spread on 5 contracts and 5 minis. That's terrible. And the whole rejection. I got stopped out there. Oh my gosh. That was just terrible, that 1 minute candlestick. That was just terrible. That was just terrible. We're going for the impulse. From the 200 EMA impulse, squeezing into the liquidity of the wick. Going with the impulse to the upside. Yeah, I've been trading since 2014. Crypto, but not day trading, but most likely swing trading and investments. So we've got 3 minutes to go. Fasten your seat belts. We might take it to the moon. Everyone make sure to like the video. Get ready for the giveaway. Oliver, you're going to be automatically included on the list. If Henry is here, he's going to be included too. We have verified basically last time you've been for the Tab 1 Futures, old sim funded, right? Not the pro funded. So we're doing the sim funded today. And you're going to qualify on round number 2. Automatically. We're verified and you were on the list last time. And for some reason, there's nothing I could expect out of this situation, to be honest with you. It's very risky here. We could grab liquidity and then move. We could easily do that. So we had bullish news from the inflation from the PPI. There's no inflation. Oliver and Henry is going to be sent to round number 2. Before 292, well, this product has just been launched a couple of days ago. There was no other price than 292. He's verifying it right now through a different method. A very accurate method right now. You will enter the giveaway by... Yeah, we have a very strong verification model right now. He's going to help us today. Which account is 292? The 150k Sim Pro. Last minute to go, everyone. Careful. You enter the giveaway by sitting here on the live stream. They might cheat you out of a win again, and today it's actually all instant funded, right? So it is that moment where you can unleash thousands of dollars payouts, which can develop into tens of thousands of payouts, and then things are gonna roll into unstoppable moments. 7 seconds, 5 seconds. Where's the bell? Let me ring the bell. Where's my bell? Opening bell. Here we have it. Look at that one. Look at that one, guys. We had 2 opening bells. Blessings from Puerto Rico. Top 1 futures is going to be on 5 numbers today. Look at the price section, guys. This is exactly what I was needed. Here on Thrive was longing the whole thing. Did not receive too much. But I think this is going to break above the daily opening. So I'm going to get into my long here. And I'm out. That was $700. I was actually sitting on more contracts that I was looking for. Back into a long. I was on 5 minis instead of 2. So right now I'm back into 2. And that was by mistake. So we made money on 5 instead of on 2. Let's go. Come on. I'm out. We're only down $600 there. We've nicely recovered. Nicely recovered. I think it's going to break above. I'm back into a trade. I'm out. Right before the market's dumped 30 points. It's crazy at the opening, guys. But we recovered around $1,000. Good morning. Look at that one. They're very aggressive. There is no inflation. I'm back into 2 contracts here. Added 1 more. One more. Let's see if we can take this one back. We had a bullish opening, so... I'm out. We recovered something, but not much. Yes, you can do. Thrive is not limiting you on the seconds. Thrive and Ticktick Trader is not limiting you on the seconds, so you can do on both. Look at that move. I think this is going to break above. It's just that we've been rejected here on the 860s quite. So I'm not going big sizes around. I'm going to be cautious. Three contracts. Let's go, guys. Come on. Four contracts. What a rejection. What a mess of a rejection we just faced. This is Quant Tower for Thrive, exactly. This is extremely risky. Let me share with you guys the trading view chart. Look at the daily opening here, how we got rejected from the daily opening. Instead of smashing through, I had my target on 880. We got stuck on 871. Let's get back into my Quant Tower. We've got our trade here, which is not looking good. What a mess of a price action. I might just take the loss and walk away. 878 on my exit right there. not looking too good. This can get below 840s. Stop loss right there. 829 is on my stop loss. Looks like bullish, so I'm gonna hold. Let me take my stop loss away from there for the moment. The problem is that we did not spike at the time I needed, so we're with our entry in the moon. Our entry is very high, guys. It's compared to the current price section, we are having a very bad entry. Look at that. We might get into the 200 EMA, which is 825. This is the spot for me to DCA something. I did add it to my position a little bit, but I'm already risking too much. Let's go. Added one more contracts. Oh, this is not looking good. One more. We're having 7 contracts. Come on. I'm out. And we closed out on profit. Look at that. Look at the account, guys. Surprisingly good. It was bullish like you guys told me. I've listened to you. Now, I've been trading longs for a while. I've pretty much put this one for the bullish story. $842 profit. Look at that. It's going to the moon. And we get the fireworks as well. We're down $3,000 in this account. Here we are. Ho, ho, ho. You know what's happening next. Look at this one. You know what's happening next, right? It's the time for the giveaway. You know, I've survived this trade because we had an entry that was too high. Thank you, guys. It wasn't that beautiful. My entry was too high. But I did not panic. And I've been holding. Some of you told me as well to hold it. So what do we need? We need the wheel of the numbers. The wheel of the numbers. With the markets breaking, pushing, running. We are getting to the wheel of the numbers. We're doing 5 numbers right now. And the second giveaway is going to be 10 numbers, right? So 5 numbers, first giveaway. Second giveaway will be 10 numbers. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. So here's the first thing you got to do in order to participate. Everyone, make sure to like the video. Anton, you're right, buddy. Today we've got all the accounts green. Tap 1 futures. All the accounts here are green. Ticktick Trader 2. So 9 on Tap 1, 3 on Ticktick, and 5 on Thrive. All of them. Listen to the rules. Like the video. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. We're streaming from Monday to Friday. Also keep in mind, that I'm not here tomorrow. I'm going on a trip. So I'm not gonna stream tomorrow. We're streaming Monday. We resume Monday. Tomorrow I'm gonna be in a trip. Don't forget about it. Like the video, be subscribed, join the Discord. And only a single guess. Do not start yet. Do not. I'll tell you when to start. When you see in the chat the command, that's when you start. Wait. Let's go. Come on, guys. I just put it right there. Only one guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. Only one guess per person. And it's kind of enough if you write your number once. Right? So you don't need to write your number and repeat it 20 times. Only one guess per person. If you're guessing multiple times, you're going to be eliminated. Good luck, everyone. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed. Come on, guys. Tons of people here. The moment you see in the chat the end message, you want to stop writing. The moment you see in the chat the end message, you want to stop writing. Make sure to like the video. That's the end right there. You can see it in the chat. This is the first giveaway. We've got 2 giveaways. Don't forget about it. Beautiful. Stick with us for the second giveaway too. The ones that wrote after the end are not accepted. Good luck, everyone. What is it gonna be there? What is it gonna be there? This is gonna be number 2, number 1. We have a double 1 coming up, but I don't think we get there. I think we get to the number 2, but I don't think we get to the double 1. Look at that. This is where it stops. Good luck, chat. Number 2 is the winner. All the ones with number 2. Let me get to the duck race. I bet we've got tons of people winning. Let's see that. Let's see that. Names. Here we are. And 46 winners. "46 winners have been scrapped by Badger. Thank you, buddy, for helping us. Stay with us for the second giveaway as well, guys. Stay with us. Now, this one, let me see if there is Oliver and Henry here. Oliver and Henry. Oliver, you're already here. Looks like you got the number. So you're going to be excluded as an extra in the next giveaway. The next Tap on Futures. You're going to compete for 1 minute and 30 seconds, guys. 1 minute and 30 seconds. We are set. We are good to go. Good luck, everyone. Oh. Henry. He's not in the list. I'm going to add Henry in the next one. I'm not going to be able to pause it. Henry is going to be added in the next top one. Features. Oliver is already here. Henry is not here on the stream. You guys want to wait for the second giveaway. 1 minute to go. And then you want to write the numbers. Come on. Not in the Discord, but here. Not in the Discord, but here. $20 seconds to go. Who's gonna accelerate? Look at that one. No costume. Look at the Ramro. 8 seconds. Who's gonna speed up, guys? 20 pieces is coming from behind. Look at that. 20 pieces is gonna win. And 20 pieces is the winner. Wow. $25,000 instant funding account for Tap 1 Futures. Congratulations, buddy. Reach out to me on Discord and private message. Stick with us, guys. We have the second giveaway today. Coming out right here. Beautiful. So, we got to do from 0 to 10 right now. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? There you go. There you go, guys. This is the second giveaway. Once again, for those of you that did not like, make sure to like the video. We have about 30 people that left between the first giveaway and second giveaway. That's pretty good, right? 30 people that left. Prepare for your numbers. Prepare, guys. Do not write anything. You're not late. You're not late. Wait, wait, wait. Exactly, to every piece of you. Wait, wait, wait. Wait for the message. Good luck, guys. You can start writing right now. Andreas Zanin and Master Trader, you were too early. You are too early. If you want to be part of the game, you have to write after the message start. Let's run those emojis. Hey, celebration time. You always want to write between the start and the end command. And only one guess per person. Only one guess per person, guys. Come on. A few more seconds and we're gonna stop. Here's the end message. Here's the end message now. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, everyone. No shuffle at this time. No shuffle. Is that gonna be number 2 or number 3? I think that's gonna be number 3. Oh. Here we have the winner, number 3, guys. Congratulations. Let's see the list. $36 winners. Wow. 36 winners with number 3. That's the list right there. You guys are not going to compete for 2 minutes, I'm telling you. Here we are. Ready? Start. This is a $50,000 instant funding Ticktick trader account. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, chat. Thank you, Badger, for helping us. Look at who's dominating, guys. Who's dominating? Lucas. Lucas, the president. USA. Come on. Who's coming next? The next streaming is going to be on Monday, guys. That's the time we're gonna do the next one. Tomorrow, Friday, I'm gonna be on a trip with my family, so no streaming tomorrow. But on Monday, we are doing it, guys. So tomorrow, holiday, we get back in business Monday. Who's the Tesla? Duck. Who's the Ferrari? Come on, guys. We don't have those things here. We have simple ducks. Some of them are quite cheap, no costumes. Nothing. No additional add-ons. No fast payouts. No microscoping here. But a purple one. The purple one is not joking. Look at that. Who's gonna pick the line? 10 seconds to go. Is there anyone speed up? Yes, Ro, I think. Oh, look at that. There's a few ones. There's a few ones speeding up. Shankar with a cigar. Shankar with a cigar. Here you are. That's me, guys. Oh, there you go. Congratulations to the winner. You have to reach out to me on Discord. This is a $50,000 Ticktick trader account. Instant funded. You take the account, you make your money, you get paid. Beautiful. Beautiful, guys. We had a great session today. Once again, thank you so much, Badger. You've done a great job helping us. Great job, guys. So once again, this is the schedule. Tomorrow, everyone is on holidays, right? Tomorrow we're free, but we're getting back to business on Monday. Thank you, guys. No more giveaways today. We'll resume Monday, 8 a.m. EST time. See you all on Monday. Have a good time, fellas. Enjoy your weekend. Be careful with trades. Be careful with the risk. Have a lovely day out there. Thank you so much, guys. We talk to you soon. Any issues, any problems, reach out to me on direct message. Winners, reach out to me on direct message. Any problems, join my Discord. That's the spot we solve the problems. Have a beautiful